This one. No, no. Why is it so hard to make a simple decision? Hello dear friends, my name is Keshwa Upadhyay and welcome to a new video. This video is about the loophole in decision making. Why sometimes making decisions becomes so hard for us. But before diving into the complexities of this video, let's keep the housekeeping aside, and if you haven't liked and subscribed the channel, do it right away and share this video with the indecisive friends of yours. We got to stick together. You go to a restaurant, pick the menu, see the price, decorated names, the images, your eating habits, and now you can't choose what to pick, what not to pick, because by the way, it's a long menu. So this is what psychologists call choice overload, which leads to decision paralysis, where you have to consider too many factors before taking a clear choice. Due to long list of choices, you can't choose and the satisfaction of eating food erodes. But don't worry my friends, you are not alone. We all face this every day. Whether we are shopping in the mall, trying to find which Netflix series to watch or which goal to achieve first, decision making can be real pain, and we face this every day. First, let's find out why it seems impossible to take a perfect decision. An average person takes 2000 decisions per hour, and our brain can process limited information consciously. In most cases, when we want to take a perfect choice, we consider too many things to make a perfect choice. This leads to cognitive overload that results in no more information storage in our brain, that finally results in mental fatigueness. When these all things are working together, we think that decision making is just impossible and leave us with unsatisfied choices that we make. It's like our brain just can't handle. But don't worry, there's a hope. Modern research has shown that there are two types of people: action-oriented and state-oriented. Action-oriented people focuses on action and are more decisive and flexible. State-oriented people, these people focuses on emotional stage and they are more indecisive and struggle from making the choices. The experiment showed that the action-oriented people take the same decision as the state-oriented people, but they are more confident about their decision, which helps them in other section of their life. For example, state-oriented people feels like lack of sleep and fast food may affect the lives and goals of their life, whereas action-oriented people reach their goals even after having some counterproductive difficulties in their life. In another example, when it comes to smoker's dilemma, when a regular smoker plans to quit the smoking but is unsuccessful, an action-oriented person quits the smoking and feels more confident about it. Having more confidence helps people in daily tasks and their decision-making process. This even affects our emotion and helps us win or lose our daily battles. Another research has shown that our bad decision-making is mainly due to 5 reasons. First, emotions. When decisions are driven by emotions, like anger or sadness taking over our choices. Second, too much of information, effects of which we have already explained in the video. Third, multitasking. Fourth, lack of input, when we act too introvert to our life. Fifth, distraction. With so many things happening in our physical and digital work, we can't focus on our daily tasks. By winning against these enemies, we can lead ourselves to anywhere we want. Now, moving on to our last part: how to tackle choice overload and make effective decisions. First, keep the number of choices as low as possible. Better the binary, like choosing the food you want to eat. Second, try to make decisions based on your past experience. This will remove many unnecessary options available, like which color of dress should I buy for a special event, right? Third, try to take decision as soon as possible. The more time you will give to an option, the more hard it will become to make a decision. Fourth, keep your mind calm and don't bother yourself with results. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna suggested Arjuna in his confused state that don't try to control everything and do what is necessary. Fifth, work on yourself. Meditation, walk or exercise, whatever suits you. It has been observed that a physically active person is an active decision maker. These all struggle of choices that our mind face can happen anytime, anywhere. Taking decisions for career, taking small steps towards goal, preparing for exam or what should I buy from the mall, or everyday decision making. With less choice you have, you might be clear. As it is said, not knowing is a bliss, at least sometimes. And before leaving this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And don't think too much, okay? Bye-bye.